Each parameter is accompanied by a graphic help menu, giving the user additional information on how each parameter works and how it could affect the operation. It is possible to select several different types of unattended machining. If your machine is equipped with automatic wire threading, then you will most likely run unattended machining as long as possible. Unattended machining is performed by leaving the slugs attached while the preliminary cuts are taken. This module supports a comprehensive range of EDM machines from leading manufacturers. And speaking of one of those leading manufacturers, with our help from Makino, we were able to make this video. So what we're doing is we're live cutting this Batman symbol on the wire EDM machine. We'll go ahead and select our 2-axis wire, and we're going to go ahead and create an operation from that. Of course, choosing the Makino machine. You can see a wide range of all the machines that Visi supports. Some important things to fill out would be part material, as well as wire thickness. When you're selecting a specific machine, this affects the electric values that are going to be generated when you're doing your offsets inside of wire EDM. You will see that a little bit later. From here, we have different machine properties. You can see for Makino, we have different machine models, different versions, inches and millimeters for several different types of model machines they offer. So we can choose our specific machine from this, or we can just select the default machine we have. In cut methods, this is where you're controlling your cut direction. Within technology, this is where we're going to create our offset values. You could select an offset. So in this case, we'll do a 3-cut offset, and that generates our offsets, our generator values, our wire speed, our feed rates, etc. So you can see the machine model and you can see the information that's loaded. If we want to leave a tag behind, this is where we define our tag strategy, our tag distance, and we can set a tag behind here. You can control your lead on and lead off, your approach and retract areas from this tab. And you can set your programming planes such as your nozzle height, your taper, right from this tab. Under miscellaneous, this is where you can put in a custom code for the header and footer of the post. And speaking of that, we can then generate our post processor. So you can see, here's our post processor. This is the generated code for the post. This will match up exactly with what is at the controller for the machine, as you can see by this video here. So this matches up exactly to that machine. Then we can start running the part from that. You can start to see how this wire EDM machine starts this process, and then you can see the sparky of the wire EDM machine. So as you can see, this is where it starts creating the cuts. And this is where the electric values come into play to know how much electricity it's going to generate within the wire EDM operation. Additionally, to that wire EDM operation, we can run a simulation. And basically run a simulation prior to actually machining at the wire EDM machine. This is also included inside of CAM as well, but you can see we're simulating that wire EDM operation